Welcome to Mathotropism. Today we are going to see from class 9th NCERT book, chapter 6, lines and angles, exercise 6.1, sum 5. In the given figure, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So first, what do we need to do is we need to understand what is given and identify the kind of angles which are there in this figure. So first, POQ is a line. So if POQ is a straight line, the angles on a straight line add up to 180 degree. So we can see, if we are seeing the names of the angles on the line, it is POS plus SOR plus ROQ adds up to 180 degree. So from this we can find ROS, which is the required one in the prove that equation. Similarly, they have also given OR is perpendicular to line PQ. So what do you mean by that? It means angle ROQ and angle ROP will be equal to 90 degree, because perpendicular means it cuts the line at 90 degree. So both POR and ROQ angles are 90 degree. So in this equation we have got ROQ, and from the first one where we had found out ROS, in that equation we can substitute this 90 degree which we have found. Similarly, when we see the right hand side of the equation, QOS and angle POS we can see. So now with respect to QOS and POS, we can again write for the straight line POQ, where angle POS plus angle SOQ, or the other way around is QOS plus SOP, adds up to what? 180 degree, because angles on a straight line add up to 180 degree. Here we are not considering the ray OR, just the ray OS alone. So we have got now 3 equations, and with these above equations we can prove the given equation. So now whatever we have understood and whatever we have identified, we are now going to form equations and start finding the values. So first one is, since OR is perpendicular to line PQ, it means angle ROQ plus angle ROQ and angle ROP both are 90 degree. Let us keep this as the first equation. When we see angles on a straight line, we already saw POS plus angle SOR plus angle ROQ is 180 degree. From 1 we get ROQ is 90 degree. When we substitute that, we get angle SOR plus angle POS is equal to 90 degree. SOR can be rewritten as ROS. So we will keep it as angle ROS plus angle POS is equal to 90 degree. Now we also saw for the straight line PQ with respect to ray OS, if we write, it will be angle POS plus angle SOQ is equal to 180 degree. Let this be the equation 3. Now when we compare 2 and 3, we have got whatever we need in the proven that. In the proven that equation, we prove that equation we need ROS, QOS and POS. So in the equation 2 and 3 everything is there. So when we see the second equation, it is equal to 90 degree and the third equation is equal to 180 degree. So we will try to make the second equation also equal to 180 degree. So 90 into 2 is 180. So we are going to multiply the whole second equation with 2. So the new equation 2 will now be 2 angle ROS plus 2 angle POS is equal to 90 into 2, which is 180, which is again equal to the third equation, angle QOS plus angle POS. So now rearranging, we will get angle 2 angle ROS is equal to angle QOS plus angle POS, and this left hand side 2 POS goes to the right hand side and it becomes minus 2 angle POS. So that is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. So when we bring the 2 from the left hand side to the right hand side, it becomes angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. This is the given equation which we have to prove. So thus we can write thus proved. Thank you.